Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to define a change request estimate template for your project. Given you are a project manager and during your execution time for the project, you got a message from customer and they want to develop a new feature. After you do evaluation with the team, you realize that this is a new request. So you have to do the estimation to provide the hour and the cost for the client. So in this video today, I will guide you how to define a very basic template for change requests. Okay, so now let's get started. In this video, I will define the estimation templates in the Excel format. So here, this is a blank Excel format. And then for now, I will try to define the template for you. Firstly, on the left-hand side, we should define some the information of the company. And on the right-hand side, we will define the client information. The first one will be the logo for both teams. This is the your company logo. And then on the right hand side, it should be the client logo. The below logo, I should provide the company name, address, website, phone, and we should provide the information of who is doing the estimation. So I will name it prepare by. And then I will copy some of the same information with the client information. I will have the company name, address, website, phone, and we can delete prepare by. And then I will enter the project name. I will have the change request information. The below I will have a table which contains some the column. The first one I will define it should be the component or the category of the task we are going to work on. And the next column I will define this will be the specification and hour. So the estimation will be in hour or the day. So in this video, I will use the hour for estimation. The last column, I will have the question, assumption, or note. This is the level 1 of the table. And I think for the second level of the table, I will define some the work. I mean specific work. So in this video, I will define the template for IT, information technology project. So I will divide it into some the category for the work. So in the IT project, we have some team, backend team, front-end team, tester team. So here I will define the backend work. The below I will have the front-end work, UX, UI work. UX means user experience and UI means user interface. Yeah. That means you need to involve some other person in the team to work on specific tasks in the project. Okay, so here I will change the order of some team. The UX and UI should be on the top, and then the front end is second, and the back end should be the below, the last one. So here delete this one. I will save it first. Save it to my desktop. I will name this one is the IT change request estimate template. Save it. And you see here, this one is only the raw data. So now I will try to do the formatting to make this template look better. So I will select it all and I will have the middle alignment for all of the data inside this file. I will have some the table here with the border. I will make the component category it is bigger. I increase the width of the both column here. For the hour, I will make it a little bit bigger. The question and assumption here. This one should be increase the width. And so that means for the client information, I will copy it, change the location, put it here, and then I will delete the last column. I will try to do the formatting for the table title, the format here, the color for text, it should be in white color. For the second level of the table, I will make this one okay. Do the formatting the same for front-end work and back-end work as well. Okay. Save it again. Back to the top, I have the company logo. I will try to make this one bigger with the font name. Yeah, because actually when you are using this template for the project, so you have to replace the text here with the logo of the company and the logo for client. And for the company name, bow, address bow, or you can move it to here. Delete this one. And then you can merge the column A and B to display the logo for the company and make it in the left alignment. The same thing for the client logo. Yeah, it would be bigger. And for the company name, company information here, I will try to make it a bigger. Increase the height of the row here. And then for the project name, I will merge something here, merge some column. The same thing for change request information. Increase the font size for the project name. For example, in this change request, I will have the name is develop new payment gateway estimation. Okay. And you can select it's all and enter the wrap text. We should select a wrap text because if the text in any cell it is very long, so it will help you to write it down into another line in the cell here. For each team, we should have the summary of the working hour. For example, for the UX and UI team, I will have a sum. It should be equal the total of the cell C12, 13, and 14. We can do the same thing with the front end below. I delete this one, and it will be sum of the cell C16, 17, and 18. The same thing for back end. Yeah, 3 column. Yeah. So here in the IT project management, when we do the UX, UI, front end, and back end, so we have to include the efforts for other member in project, like the business analyst team, the quality control team, and also the effort of the project manager. Yeah. So here I will try to define some other role in the project. We have the project requirement clarification. Yeah, let me copy this row. I will have the project requirement clarification. Okay, copy it the same, and I have the testing. The next one will be the UAT support, and the last one it will be project management. So here I will make this one bigger, merge this one. And here for the project requirement clarification, I will add BA do clarification with the client, getting QC team to take care quality for project, and UAT support, yeah, that team to deploy code and bug fixing. For project management, yeah, dedicated PM to manage project, yeah, something like this, yeah. And the last one, it will be the total bigger, increase the font size, and the below here I will have a summary. it will be the summary of the UX front-end, back-end, requirement gratification, the testing team, the UAT, and the project management team. It should be the summary, the total summary. Increase the font size, and I will try to do formatting for this one. Red color, and the text will be in white. Or you can show here, for example, for the UX and UI work, I will enter here. We start work on the home page, task 1, task 2, and product page, task 1. The same thing for front-end work. It should be the home, task 2, backend. Okay. So here, for example, we have just clicked down on of the task in our change request. So I will try to format for the home page. It contains 2 tasks here. So I will merge the cell A12 and A13. Yeah. For example, I will try to do the estimation for each task here. Task 1, it will be in 8 hours. 16, product page, it will be in 24. We can try to do some another format for each summary of each team here. In this, align it in the right, so we can make it align in the left, or even center. I think center is better. And okay, so for now we are doing some the calculation for BA team, business analyst team in the project. So here in IT project, so we have some the standard. I will have the sum equal sum of the UX front-end, back-end. Yeah. The total of the UX front-end and back-end multiple with around 20%. The same thing for testing. I will copy the formula here. For testing, it will be the 30 for the UAT support, around 5 or 10%. For the PM, is 10%. Yeah, something like this. And here, the last column for the question, assumption, or notes. You can add anything here to help the client understand why do we want to spend this effort for this task. Okay. So I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to define a estimation for a change request template for your project. Yeah. So by on this template, you can do customization to make it look better and suitable for your project and domain. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, let me know. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.